Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the ghost bunny in Piggy. This elusive character is a special reward in some game versions, often granting you a unique badge or morph to use. We will go through the precise steps needed to locate and claim this spectral friend. Prepare for a thrilling adventure as we uncover the secrets to adding Ghost Bunny to your collection. Your quest for the Ghost Bunny begins on the carnival map. Once you have loaded into this vibrant location, you will need to exit the main carnival grounds. Head towards the outer edges until you spot a particular tunnel. This tunnel, located on the right side, is your first key landmark in this exciting search. After reaching the tunnel, carefully jump on top of it. From there, navigate along the line of bushes, making a left turn. Continue walking down this path, paying close attention to your surroundings. Your goal is to find a small, secluded corner nestled amongst the foliage at the very end of this hidden route. This spot holds the key. Once you have successfully located the hidden corner, gently drop down into that precise spot. There, you will discover the Ghost Bunny waiting for you. Simply touching this spectral figure will instantly award you the special badge and unlock the Ghost Bunny morph. Congratulations! You have now added this unique and ghostly character to your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.